Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of downloading GST returns in Tally Prime for reconciliation. Tally Prime Release 5.0 brings in a state-of-art facility that enables you to download GST returns. You can do so for multiple GST registrations and return types for multiple return periods in one go. Based on the GST returns you need, for one or more GST registrations, you can configure the download. Moreover, you have the flexibility to re-download the already downloaded GST returns. The newly downloaded ones will replace the previously downloaded ones. Now, let's see how to download the GST returns. Press Alt+Z and select Download GST Returns. The Download GST Returns screen appears. As you can see, by default, all return types are selected. Press C, and you can configure the return type. You can also configure the period if you want to download the returns for another period. In your business, you might be having a practice of downloading only GSTR2A and GSTR2B. In such a case, a one-time configuration is all you need to do. Press Alt+Z and select GST. Under Return Type, select GSTR2A and GSTR2B. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Press Alt+G, type 2B, and open GSTR2B. Press Alt+Z and select Download GST Returns. Press D to download. As you can see, the returns are downloaded. You have got the data for reconciliation too. Tally Prime also recognizes the period for which download is completed. So, in the next attempt to download, the pending return period gets prefilled. What's more, you have the facility to download the GSTR3B returns too. Press Alt+G, type 3B and open GSTR3B. Press Alt+Z and select Download GST Returns. Press C and under Return Type, select GSTR3B. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration. Press D to download. GSTR3B gets downloaded. You can view the reconciliation data. As you saw, with the simple facility to download the GST returns in Tally Prime, you can get the return data and also reconcile the vouchers in the respective report. Moreover, you can download all the required return types at once for any GST registration. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.